Welcome back to Displacement Garage. Today we're installing underglow and a blow-off valve. Standing at approximately 4 foot 8 inches tall, weighing in at 3,500 pounds, it's the one, it's the only, Lucifer! Up first, blow-off valve install. This was one of my Christmas presents from Hasty. We spent a full day of just installing Jeep and Mustang parts, and surprisingly, we only had to go to O'Reilly's one time. Installing the blow-off valve was pretty simple and straightforward. It's a direct match-up plug-and-play system. The reviews on American Muscle did make me a little nervous on wanting to get this. People were saying that it didn't have direct fitment, things like that. Our experience was it was a direct fitment. However, I will suggest the following tip. Make sure that the angle of the blow-off valve is placed correctly. In looking at the new one, your harness clip will go to the back passenger side. You'll notice a slight difference in the holes for your bolts on there, so you'll notice that the top middle is going to be dead center, but it's also going to be a little bit further of a distance than two bolt holes are. The two bolt holes that are closest together, those are the bottom two. Time to warm Lucifer up and give him some revs. Enjoy my terrible laughing. Now it's time for some underglow install. I really enjoy underglow. I think it's just the right level of trashy. These are the Govee lights. They come with adhesive already on the strip, and then they have additional clips that you can screw in to mount to your vehicle. Comes with a little key fob keychain as well, so you can change your colors on command, but I'm really enjoying their app. They actually have it where you can control all of your Govee products on there. I only have the underglow so far, but it allows you more personalization. So you can have green, blue, sunset, twinkling. You can have all kinds of different rainbow road styles. Just a bunch of cool options, so I would definitely recommend downloading it, if you get these lights, of course. Watching back this video, I'm like, I wonder why my back hurts. It's probably car yoga. Namaste in the shop. Peace be with you and your pistons. Final reveal, daytime. Turning in to nighttime. Ooh. It's time to go do some hot boy JDM stuff. You guys have the best day ever, and thank you for tuning in. We'll see y'all later. Bye!